Hello guys, in today's video I will show you 4 different ways to check your motherboard information, whether you're on a desktop or laptop. No matter the brand or version, you'll be able to see everything. You can find out all the details yourself, like the model, manufacturer, and even how much your system can handle in terms of performance. Now, if you're using a pre-built laptop or PC and don't really know the motherboard details, no worries. You can easily check it. In this video, I'll show you how. One of the easiest ways is using the command prompt in Windows. We'll be running a WMIC command to pull up all the motherboard info. So first open command prompt as administrator. And then type this command carefully, WMIC, baseboard, get product, manufacturer. I will mention this command in my video description so you can directly copy and paste it. Make sure you type it correctly with proper spacing. If your command does not work, 90% of the time it's just a spelling or spacing mistake. Once you run this command, you'll see all the details, manufacturer, and product name. For example, mine shows Intel Corporation as the manufacturer and product model 440BX. Details right there. So that's it. Super simple way to check your motherboard info without opening up your PC. Next method you can try to check your motherboard details is by using the msinfo32 command. Right-click on Start button and select Run, and type msinfo32 and press Enter. It will open System Information window, scroll down a bit, and under Baseboard Manufacturer you'll see the company name. Like mine shows Intel Corporation. You'll also see the product name and version listed there. So anytime you need quick details about your motherboard, this is a super easy way to get it. Now, there is also another method. You can use the DirectX Diagnostic Tool. Simply open Run dialog box, then type DXDIAG and press Enter. This will open up a window showing detailed information about your system, including motherboard related info. I am running Windows in virtual, so it is showing my virtual software name, VMware, but in your case, it will show you your motherboard information. And final method, you can try using BIOS settings. Just restart your computer, press the BIOS key, and it will take you to BIOS setting, and you'll find hardware details there. And you can find your motherboard, processor, RAM, and also storage information from there. So, these are a few simple methods you can use to find your motherboard information. Hope you found this useful. If you did, don't forget to hit like, drop a comment to let me know what you think, and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next one.